Hi, I'm Susan Malmberg, and I'm so excited for you guys to be here in Ogden, Utah, take you along for my day behind the chair. And I can't wait for you guys to see my grow outs and my clients and how much they love IBE, because I thought I was obsessed with IBE, but I think my clients might be just a little bit more obsessed than me. We are going to remove her extensions. Is there anything you want changed for your placement this time, or do we want to keep it in the same spot?
I think the spot was actually really, really good.
Good. Awesome. And then we are going to wash her hair. We're going to give her a nice little scalp massage for her. And the reason I'm able to do that is because she does have super fine, thin hair. And so it doesn't take me much time to be able to do that for her. And then while I'm washing Tina's hair, we're going to have my assistant clear gloss her extensions. So everything's getting nice and clean and fresh, and then we will come back to the chair, reinstall her row, and yeah, we're just excited to see what her hair looks like.
This is just every day.
Switched to Schwarzkopf, so awesome. But I went to one of her last in-person classes that she did, and she keeps these bottles loaded and ready to go with what they call a 1B drop. And so what it does is it's great for people that are like brunettes that are going lighter, and you get that like blonde at the root and then like orange or like yellow towards the bottom. And it is a cap full of 1B in shades EQ with 4 ounces of clear or 2 ounces of clear, depending on how strong you want it. And it like zaps brass in 2 seconds. You only have to leave it on for like a minute. So prior to doing IBE, I was certified in another hand-tied method, and Tina was one of my clients that transitioned from that method to IBE. But remind me, Tina, what other like type of installs you've had?
Okay, so I'm trying to think back.
Did you ever have tape-ins?
I did have tape-ins.
Did I do tape-ins on you?
No,
Okay.
no, I did tape-ins before I met you, and I hated them.
Yeah.
Especially like when the wind blows.
Yeah.
Like they flap, but yeah, I hated tape-ins. And then before that, I did I don't know what exactly it was. It was not a bead method, but it was a stitched all the way across.
Yeah.
So this was like probably 15 years ago.
Yeah, it was probably like the old school micro, or not micro, machine tied,
and she put like
beaded wefts.
2 or 3 rows in, I can't remember. But it was so heavy.
Oh yeah. Well,
like it was hard to manage. I couldn't curl it. Like it was just too much. It was too hard.
Yeah. Back in the day, they were just using like machine tied wefts, which on your hair would like literally cause traction alopecia in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, I was going to say I had
the weight and the.
Yes, I was bald in spots after. Yeah, it was really bad.
What's your favorite thing about having IBE in your hair? Like, what is one of the things that you love about your extensions right now?
There's a lot, because it's from having all the others compared to this, it's way more manageable for sure. Mm-hmm. It's easier to hide, especially where I have such thin, fine hair.
Yeah. The wind blows and your hair just fluffs right away.
Yes. Yeah. So it's just been so much. It's just easier to take care of, easier to manage.
Yeah.
It's lightweight. There's just so much to it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I love them. Yeah. So I've had them for years.
IBE was made for you.
It was.
People just like you.
Just like me.
How do you feel like the comfort of IBE is compared to other methods? Like, what's your,
I actually get asked that quite a bit just by people that know I have it.
Yeah.
It's like, how do you sleep on that? And I have never had trouble sleeping with these.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's awesome.